Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ryan. Thanks for watching. This is another video in a series dealing with WordPress. How to build a WordPress website and what you can do within the admin area. If you haven't watched my prior videos and you don't have your WordPress website set up yet, please watch the first two videos in my series. It'll show you how to get it installed, get it up and running, and be able to know how to log into your admin area so that you can start working on building your website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your website so that a professional looking contact form so that people can reach out to you. You can ask certain questions that you want them to fill out when they're trying to reach out to you. So have a piece of paper and a pen handy and let's go ahead and get started. So very quickly, I'm going to head over to where the WordPress website is hosted. I have it over at savebigdomains.com. Again, if you need a WordPress website, you need two things. You need a domain name and you need a hosting plan. So you can get both of those right here. You can find a domain name right here. Just search for one that is available. And if it's not available, keep searching and then find one that's available and register it. And then you can get WordPress hosting here. And then when you get into your account, you can do the installation. It'll install it correctly. And if you have any questions at all, give them a call. They're open 24 hours a day to help you guys, okay? So I'm going to head over to my WordPress website, a test website that I'm just using for video purposes here. So we're going to do a contact form, and you do that via plugins. WordPress has thousands of plugins to choose from, and you can do a contact form. So watch this video all the way to the end, okay? Make sure you don't close out because I'm going to show you how you can, some little things that you can do to make some extra money if you want to on the things that I'm teaching you here, what other people are doing, and people are charging for what I'm showing you right now. So let me go through that. Wait till the end of the video and I'll show you quickly how that's done. So I'm going to go over here on the left side. I've logged into my admin area and I'm going over to plugins. And I'm going to tap on that. And then you'll see here, these are all the plugins I have installed so far, but I want to add a new plugin. So I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to look for a contact form. Now, there's a bunch of plugins down here to choose from, and you'll see some of them have huge numbers of installations, 300,000, 600,000, but we want to look for a contact form. A quick way you can find the most popular plugins is right here, featured, popular, recommended, but right over here is a search. So you could search contact form here, and then you'll see they'll start to populate down below. So here's a couple. Contact form number 7. This is one that I've used plenty of times, and there's another one here that has contact form by WP Forms. There's all sorts of ones, but you'll see here they've got over 1 million installations right here. These guys have over 100,000 active installations. So you can just kind of go through here and try them out. Now, if one doesn't work that way, some of these can be installed and then they're kind of confusing, and sometimes you might need to be a scientist to figure them out. So if it seems complicated, uninstall it, deactivate it, and then reinstall a new one, okay? It's not a big deal. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click Install Now for the contact form. It's installing all the files on the server. Once it says activate, it means everything's been installed, so I'm going to turn it on. And it is turning on the plugin. So now it's been installed. And you'll see here, let's see, contact form, WP Forms right here. So what I can do is on the left side, I can go into my forms and I can create a new form right here. Look over here, it says add new. I can add a new form and I can start working with one that's blank. And I can just start designing it. I can add a single line. There's a single line. I can add checkmark boxes. I can add an email if I want to collect their information, the name of them. So I can make it look really professional. And then I can click Save. So if I click Save here, it's saving the file. Looks like it's saved. And then what I want to do is I want to take that contact form and I want to embed it into my WordPress website on the page that I want. So then what I would do is I would highlight that go over here. Now remember, I know there's a lot going on here, so please watch the video again if you need it. I grabbed that, I copied it, and I'm going to go paste it on my page. So now I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go over to a page that I've created. And then if I want, what I can do is, I don't have a contact page here, so I'm going to click add a new page. I'm going to call it Contact Us. I'm going to put in the code here. Remember, I'm going to, let's see here, I'm going to add it right in here, but I want to go into the source code, so I'm going to go into the text. I'm going to click on text over here, and then I'm going to paste it. And there it is. And I'm going to click visual. And then when I publish this, it should work here. Let's see. And there it is. There's the form. If somebody filled it out, it would get sent to me. If I want to undo the plugin, let me show you what you can do real quick. And don't forget, don't close out the program yet, because remember, I'm going to show you how you can do some of the things I'm showing you right now to make extra money on helping other people. I'm going to go to the plugins. And I'm going down here. Here's all the plugins I have installed. If I want to turn it off, if I don't like it, if I found it confusing, I would just click deactivate right here. And it's going to turn it off. And I just deactivated the contact form. It's turned off from being live on my website. And what I can do is, if I want to completely get rid of all the files on the server, I just click delete and it's gone. And then what I can do is I can go and find another Contact Us plugin that I want. I just go back to plugins, I search contact form again, and then here comes some additional options, and then I can just choose one and install it and keep testing it out. So let me show you real quick what some people are doing. If you're good with WordPress, if you know how to do things and you want to help people, there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to use WordPress. So what you can do is you can head over to a website called Tisseo.com, Tisseo.com. You'll see here, if you go down the page, that there are people that are paying to install plugins for them. So here's one right here. This guy's doing a contact form. He's also doing a all-in-one WordPress plugin for $15. So basically, you could advertise here. People could hire you, and you could charge $20, $15, $40, whatever you want to charge to help people install, because now you know how to log into somebody else's WordPress website. You just need their login and a temporary password. They can change a password after you've done the work. You can go into the plugin section, and then you can install it for them and then earn some money. So that's how you do it. Remember, look down below the video right now. There's a subscribe button. If you can just tap that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, so as I come up with more videos, you're notified. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. All right, bye-bye.